Thanks, everybody. Aren't they fantastic? Hey, speaking of fantastic, available in the gift shop. And see these mugs? Sure, you're a real fan. Now, before my boys continue, I just want to say thank you for coming and getting into the spirit of the night.
Jacob,
So realistic.
revenge will be mine.
Well, normally my guys don't take requests, but it is a special occasion, boys.
Revenge will be mine.
Wow, seriously, I just have to ask you, how are you pulling this off? I mean, it looks so real. I could just put my hand right through.
What do you think you're doing? Yeah, and I'll give you a real beat.
Ha ha ha!